Hi, I'm Amanda with Hoffman Weber Construction, here to look at your home's exterior.
Hey Amanda, it's really great to meet you. They told me a lot about you. You're a really good listener, and yeah, I just really could use somebody to talk to right now.
Is that a men's tank top?
Sorry that I didn't wear sleeves. I have a lot to unpack. I mean, there's just a lot going on, and I really could use somebody to talk to.
Oh yeah, sure. I love to talk.
Come on in, I'll show you around. Have a seat, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Nobody likes basketball in this entire state. I mean, I don't even know who LaMelo Ball is. He plays for Charlotte? He wins Rookie of the Year over Anthony Edwards? You gotta be, I mean, it doesn't even make sense. We finally start to get something going, and then what happens? We lose our pick to the Warriors? Nobody even likes basketball in this town. Nobody. It's a bunch of hockey fans. And then A-Rod buys the team, he's gonna move us to Seattle. I mean, I like basketball, okay? I'm crying. Damn it.
Okay, all right. I can handle this. If there's one thing that I can tell you is that I've been with Hoffman Weber Construction for years, and we love our customers almost as much as you love your team. And if you ever do decide to move away, our warranties are 100% transferable to the new homeowner.
We listen to our customers. So go ahead, call us for your next therapy session. I mean, exterior consultation.